Hi, this is Bob Wetterman from Best, and today we're going to look at the board repair kit from Best. So many times printed circuit boards either get dropped or their corners or edges get damaged due to handling damage. So what this kit does is this allows you to repair those damaged corners or edges, so any kind of laminate repair. So let's take a look what's inside this particular kit. So in this kit we have a hand tool that allows you to abrade various areas of the board. We have a dental pick. This will allow you to get epoxy inside of very tiny grooves, as well as mixing bowls where you can mix the epoxy resin compound. This kit includes several epoxy resin packets, and that becomes the hardened laminate construction when you're doing this repair. And many times what we have to do is we have to color match. So in this repair kit are colorants that will match the color of the board to make sure that it's very aesthetically pleasing. We also have some orange wood sticks to allow you to scrape off in a non-damaging way any remnants on the circuit board, as well as some syringes that will allow you to get it into very fine places. Also included in your board repair kit are a bunch of laminates that you can epoxy in, especially if you have a corner damage and you want to use the methodology where you're actually gluing in replacement laminate constructions. So this has been Bob Wetterman from Best talking to you today about the board level repair kit.